want to, because when I think back on the past more, like, you get your angry and thing when I remember where some people really, you see me, put you through one thing, but you don't know. But they out here and music are going good.
Yeah, man, Lion Foot TV. I'm Eric, you don't know, like it represent to the fullest. Y'all are fling the pussy palm, bad man.
Hey!
Says she love the north side, love the action.
Hey!
Style of make the K go so bang bang. Yo, Portmore, yo, Waltham.
Being
scary like a dopey show. I want you that way anytime we touch the road.
Allah!
Me full of gun, me full of gun, me full of clothes. Me palm in me full of...
Girl, I fling the pussy palm, bad man. Let's get me like a dopey show. I want you that way anytime we touch the road. That's a hobby.
Production.
Vlog and the go, me a vlog and the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless, love and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know, health of a wealth and your health is your wealth, so I'm going to please take care of it. Anyone in the big up on the damn self. They must say stay safe, be good, trust no one, no one else say around people, and think before you act. And so me and some viewers and subscribers. Now if you're new to the channel, you don't know, and you've liked what you've seen or heard, if you like subscribing, make sure you click the bell also so you get that update when I'm uploading a new content. Viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, Lion Foot TV, welcome to the channel, welcome to the jungle, welcome to the platform. Your support is highly appreciated, Zane? Yeah man, utmost gratitude. See, remember, no one is better than no one or bigger than no one. See? Now, my viewers and subscribers, in this vlog, I want to send sincere condolence to Nklyne. Yes, the vlogger, my fellow co-worker, artist, you know what I mean? And musically and vlogically. See? Condolence to Nklyne and his, you know, his families, them. Zine, yeah, but when I first, you know what? You don't know the routine, you know, after the break. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. You don't know that's a new video from Dan Youth. Zine, great adventure. When you can go over there, go check out the full video and give him the support. All of the Dan Youth fans them. You see me I say, should be do bop. You see me I say, yeah, you know somebody else produce a song with him as well, named Boom Boom Boom, you know? Slim Girl Fatty Boom Boom Boom. Be the Doom Doom for the 9 to 5 rhythm. So big up Dan Youth, yeah man. Now let's get to the main reasoning now, my viewers and subscribers. I want to say condolence to Nklyne again, and you know he lost his mother tragically in a horrible way, Zine. So me I say, why? You know, Lion Foot already would deal with the thing real, you know, and natural and reason, Zine, and pick sense out of nonsense and speak the truth. If me have to die for the truth, ready for die for the truth. And die for being real, ready for die for being real. You know what I mean? So big up all of my loyal subscribers, them out there who understand and relate when I put out a vlog. You see, because when I just do the vlog for boast and hype and money, see, we just do the thing real and natural and connect with people all over the world. See, make sure we have a connection and a bond and an understanding. Now, Nklyne, they went live and did a live. I first heard of the scenario, discovered the news from TEF. So big up TEF. You know, the TEF, the entertainment feed. Yeah, I saw it because I'm a subscriber as well. And big up TEF, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, someone who I know personally still, you see me? Yeah, I've met. Big up YGP One Camp, you see me? Yeah, man, so, yeah. Heard of the news, I say, really? But me just watch Nklyne on stage. You see me, I say, I'm getting breakthrough, you know, in the music and vlogging, I go on good, everything I go on good. And he's now in Kingston. Push come to shove now, his mother get take away. That led me to, I think, and I say, is it bad mind? Is it grudge? Is it extortion or what? I'm involved. See? So I'm going to a quick flashback. What he said? No, first, this is when he did it live, see? And my discover say mother went missing, so he went live. Him and the missus, and I mean Nikki, you see me? Yes, so he went and he said this.
That me here, you know, brother. Me there Kingston. Mother there Newport. You see me? She did it with her boyfriend because she not married. You see me I say? And me I hear say some people running, brother. You see me? Hombre I say them knock him out, brother, and cut with me mother. You see me I say? Yeah, dog.
Newport in a Mandeville.
You see me? So who just forward on the live, me I hear say them running for my mother and cut with her, brother. You see me?
And with the all the way to Kingston.
Yeah. See me? So me I say, yo, Newport it happen, Newport, Manchester it happen. In the night, you see me I say? Yeah, so at that statement there, my mother boyfriend, you know, an elder, because them are elder, you see me? I get the police them right now, brother. So, yeah, so me just I say, whoever do it, you see what I say? I don't know that one, just, you see me? Just let her have someone safely. You see me I say, gee, big man thing.
Why don't they take her do? Money they want or something? Because nobody know nothing, so I must, I'm not even know what to say, God know. And you know if Precious or nobody don't want Newport, you know nothing.
I don't talk about that still.
But we have to know.
Zine, alright. So if you notice where him woman say at the end, them and nobody know nothing, so them don't know where to come off or where to come from. She also mentioned her name, Precious. No, I don't know if Precious is a male or a female. Zine? And what did Nklyne said? He don't want to talk about that, you know. So, by that, is Nikki, I say, you know if Precious and nobody know nothing. Precious, I don't know if Precious is a male or a female. Nklyne said he doesn't want to talk about that, my viewers and subscribers. Zine. Then I go back and went back, listen back on stage because he made some speech on stage. And when I first watched his interview on stage, I was thrilled. I was overwhelmed. I was motivated, inspired. You see me? And energized to keep pushing because I'm a musician as well. I try for about so much years now. Over 16 years now. And music make me start a vlog for help push my music. So when I see a youth like Nklyne, I get him breakthrough right now. You know, he's a bigger vlogger than me, bigger platform. My channel young, just 2 years old, see? Yeah. So when we see youth like him and other young artists boss, you see me, in the music, you see me I say, all of the artists them, me feel good because it make me know say, yo, me still have a chance and hopes once me have life. So now this bad, sad news led me to asking, why? Is it because, why? Then he go up on stage and he make a little speech. So this is what he said on stage.
Oh, me I play the thing right now too. Me tackle my music with a level of urgency and Kingston does have that thing about it. Everybody does do so. So, yeah man, I love you.
Let me tell you why me put town first. A town of country artists come bust. Country no nice like town when a Christmas. That's why me have to put town on the list first.
You can't say anything what you want to say. Town no nice like country, no way. Town full of too much hotter than gunplay. Me a pray for town be like country someday.
Yeah, so me just I say, I want to look back at you help enough people and even you hear me say me should have rare. Then me I say, join myself with the energy, try to lose these memories. You know what I mean? Because some of the time you have to move on to because when you think back on the past more, like you get your angry and thing when you remember where some people really, you see me? Put you through one thing, but you don't know. But they out here and music are going good, vlogging are going good and everything. So kind of Lego them thing there. But I forget that off of my chest through the EP.
Yeah. Zine must drink the energy for wash away the bad past because when you think it just make him get mad and things that people do on the past. No, I don't know if Nklyne had mix up, if he was mix up or his mix up, why him left Mandeville, Manchester, Mandeville, and come to Kingston. Himself music, but nobody knows. I know a Lionfoot already, I'm say this regular, when I swear for no man, no one. I don't want nobody swear for me neither. But when it comes to reason and reality and truth and rights and facts, you have reason. Sometimes the truth might hurt, but it hurts for 1 or 2 days. Then cool off. Because what? Me tell you the truth, you have conscience for know say a true lion foot attack, If you fail to accept that to yourself, that means you lost. You're a hypocrite to yourself. Because everyone have a conscience. Everyone know good from bad, right from wrong. And so, some of viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think in the comment section. No. Whatever reason it is, if Nklyne no mix up, somebody feel mix up, and it led to his death of his mother. Because I was here thinking, is it extortion? Is it bad man because him boss and them say him nah pay no dues, him left? But something is into something. That speech where Nklyne make on stage say, yo, when him think about the NSC make him drown out him past because it just make him get bringle and them thing down. You see me? Music is doing fine, vlogging is doing fine for him. And yeah, I'm happy for that. But right now, his mother star, sad. It's very sad, very sad. And the man them take away mother, beat up the man. I don't know if our boyfriend see them face or if them mass up. You see me? But just to show you how Jamaica run right now. Them 87s, them meet nowadays. Them don't care, them don't fear nothing. A new type of badness and everything. And then we go to the extreme just to get you out. Can't catch Quako, catch you short. You see, them take somebody close with Nklyne. His mother. His mother, I feel it. I feel it. I feel it. But my viewers and subscribers, I know I saw the things set, A life, and in life we have to just learn to live. Think before we act. Don't just get up and do things and don't think about the reaction, the repercussion. Don't think about later on, a couple of years down the line. You have to think about those things. Don't just get up and go act. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, they don't know a lion put on another vlog. I want to send my sincere condolence again to Nklyne. You know what I mean? Jano Star. I feel it, man. Feel it, man. Viewers and subscribers, I don't know. A lion put with another vlog. I will do it when I boast and I brag. You say, stop the crime and see really on the back of field. You see me? Make sure all of my loyal subscribers, them, big up on yourself. The inactive and active ones, them, big up on yourself. Everybody just big up. Stay safe. Yeah, man, I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth.
Country nicer than town, town no nice like country. When a day a country, you can't hungry.
Hey, cuz you a clown, now country be nicer than town. Put close by your argument, hungry.
Country nicer than town, town no nice like country. When a day a country, you can't hungry.
Hey, cuz you a clown, now country be nicer than town. Put close by your argument, hungry.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell before you go. So you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.